Most actions that you might take in Android Studio can be accessed from multiple locations. I've previously shown that tool windows are available from the menu, with View and then Tool Windows, and many of them are available by clicking on tabs that are scattered around the interface, and you can use the cursor and move it over that icon in the lower left corner. You can also use keyboard shortcuts, and as I've shown, the keyboard shortcuts that are available are shown on the menu. So on Mac, Command 1 would open or close the project window. I'll press that keyboard shortcut a few times, and I'm toggling the window's visibility. If you can't find a particular action, go to the menu and select Help, Find Action. Then type the action you're interested in. I'm going to type branches, and that gets me to my source control branches. I'll press Enter or Return, and this dialog pops up. If a dialog pops up like this and doesn't appear to be attached anywhere, you can get rid of it by going to the original place where you would call that dialog. I'll go down here to the bottom status bar and click on my branches icon. The dialog pops down to the lower right. I move the cursor off the dialog and click, and it goes away. If you want to see a complete list of all your available keyboard shortcuts, go to the menu and choose Help, and then open the key map reference. This is a PDF document that's stored on the JetBrains website, and you'll see that there are keyboard shortcuts listed for Windows and Linux on the first page and for Mac OS on the second page. Finding the various actions that you need to use can take a little bit of time, but once you've used each action a few times, it'll become second nature. You can use the menu, a keyboard shortcut, or in many cases, icons on the toolbar to get to the features that you need.